So I've had this bike about 6 months now, and the whole time it's had this kind of weird issue with steering. Narrowed it down to the steering head bearings. Most of these bikes get affected after 10 or 20,000 miles, and well, I'm at 25,000, and as far as I know, they're the stock ones in there. You gonna help, dude?
This one does not look quite as bad.
Okay, the bearing race needs to sit below the frame. So what you need to do is take the old race, set it in there, and then go tappity tap with like a brass hammer. You'll hear it bottom out eventually. So if you see now, the race is bottomed out and it's sitting sub flush of the frame surface. Make sure you do that. On plastic parts, if you have a broken piece of ABS, you can use ABS cement, like this. I like this one because it's a single part. You don't have to use multiple pieces. Way better than glue. It'll actually bond to the material very well instead of using filler rod or anything dumb like that. I did that on here, assuming this was ABS, and it's not. It's nylon with glass fiber. Isn't gonna work that well on this nylon. It works great though if you actually know what you're doing and use it on ABS parts.